Hello everyone, today we are going to see a simple video on turning power on and off of calculator. It's very simple. You press the on button. Here you have the on button. You just press it and it's on. Now there is no off button. You can see here there is off written, but if you press AC button, the calculator is not powered off. So what you need to do is press the shift button and AC button. You can see the calculator is turned off. Now instead of doing this, if your calculator is inactive for a period of about 10 minutes, it will automatically turn off. So just to save power, we just do this, press the shift button and then the AC button to turn off the calculator. Thank you.